Alright guys, since I have the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out here, the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project, we just have this little area right here. Why not just go ahead and bash it around a little bit? I am running on 3S, of course. And guys, this is running my Traxxas Slash 4x4 Ultimate wheels and tires, which these are not going to hook up the same way the Badlands did, but it still should be a heck of a lot of fun. So if you guys are liking the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. I would greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, so if you guys could take 1 second and leave this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It really does mean a lot. Turn it around. Just ripping. Nice. To be honest, these stock shocks, by the way guys, I also switched out the big bore shocks. I swapped the stock original shocks back on this machine, and I just like the way they feel a little bit better than the aluminum big bore ones. The big bore ones were too springy. These ones they soak up the bumps a little bit nicer. But these ones do not have the fuel line hack to them though. So the fuel line hack helps prevent that body roll. I do not have that installed on these shocks though. But it's still performing pretty well. Nearly getting stuck. The two-wheel drive Slash has the power, the VXL power, to just power right through it and get through that grass. These stock tires actually, they aren't hooking up too bad. Oh, I ran right into myself. We're good. Whoa! Oh, we're upright. It's really bumpy over there. I think we hit low voltage mode, guys. Yep, she's done. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later. Here we go. I'm pinned right now. That's a nice thing though. On gravel I can actually pin this thing, so that's actually a heck of a lot of fun. Here we go, let's bring it back this direction. I'm pinned.